Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to stick to the theme that I had on the last few drinks, and we're going to stick to drinks that I've learned how to make on some of the cruises that we've taken on Carnival Cruise Line. This one in particular is another Alchemy Bar drink that I really enjoy. It is off the menu there, and it is called the Island Old Fashioned. The thing about this Old Fashioned versus the ones I've shown in the past, which were made out of whiskey, is this one is made out of Bacardi 8 rum that has been infused. So what do you say we give it a try? For this Island Old Fashioned, again, I want to thank the crew members and Carnival Cruise Lines for sharing this recipe with us. It is, again, one of our favorites. So what I did ahead of this video is I've infused this Bacardi 8 rum with some Chinese 5-spice and cinnamon sticks for a few days, and then I filtered off the spices to keep the rum clear. To make this this drink, you need to start with a sweetener. So either use a sugar cube, or in my case I'm going to be using half of one of these equal packets because I'm on that keto diet and I don't use any sugar. Put that in this in the mixing vessel here. Following that, we're going to take the Angostura bitters, and we will put 3 dashes into the glass here, maybe a little bit more than that. I prefer a little bit more bitters when I'm making my drink. And then we're going to use just a little tiny bit of, teaspoon or less of water, or in this case I'm using a tiny bit of club soda. From there, you're going to mix this up and get the sugar to dissolve. After that, you want to put in 2 ounces of rum. We're going to put ice in the mixing glass. After we put ice in the mixing glass, we're going to stir this up a bit, about 20 or 30 seconds. When that's done, we will take our julep strainer and we'll strain off the ice and pour it into our drinking glass. To finish this drink, take a orange peel like I have here and squeeze it over the top of the glass. This will release the oils and the zest from the orange peel and give some nice aromatics to the drink. You'll garnish it with a couple Luxardo maraschino cherries, and enjoy. Let's give it a try. Cheers. Oh, that's good. I can taste the cinnamon from the infused rum, and I can also taste the Chinese 5-spice. It really gives us a nice depth of flavor. On top of that, the rum is just excellent. It's very smooth. It's not very hot. And I can smell the orange zest as well. I sure hope you liked our video today. Leave us a comment below and let us know what you think of this recipe, and any favorite recipes you might have, or any different variations of making an old-fashioned you may have or you may know of. Don't forget, if you like this video, please smash that like button below, and also hit the subscribe bell so that way you're notified on our next video that we make. I'm going to continue on this trend of making drinks, and we sure hope to see you. Until then, cheers. Bye-bye.